I checked out Iman Gadzhi's newest brand called Big Day, and in this video I'm going to show you why I think his webshop is really interesting in terms of CRO and what can we learn from it. Okay, so with no further ado, let's get straight into it. And the reason why I really found this website interesting and what we can learn from it is not really because of his product page itself, right? It's more of this section here. So if you go to Iman's house, right, you will go to this page. And why I think this will be really interesting is because you can basically see his house, right, that he used in all of his content, right, in his vlogs. And basically, if you click, let's say, to his gym, you can see his gym that he is using in his videos, with a lot of sneaky call to action, okay? Something I will come later on. But if you're like a brand and you're using influencers, or you have by yourself, you have like a big platform of social media followers and you want to launch a product, right, on an e-commerce web shop like this, then this can be really interesting because this is basically something that everyone knows, right? And you can basically see his whole house that he is also filming in his videos. And the reason why I think this really great is because this is the really personal touch, right? And people really associating this brand with Iman Gadzhi. Of course, he is publishing this, right? But also if he's running ads, he can basically show advertisement of his house in combination with Iman itself and the product. So the beautiful thing is about this all is that there's a lot of call to action, right? So if you click on this, right, boom, you're at the sparkling waters, right, at the products. But also what he's doing is basically you got like a Gadzhi brand, right? That's his glasses brand. So also in there, there's like call to action to that. So if we go back to the gym, right, you can also see like there's like all hidden in here. So here the products, right? But also something that is coming soon is the hoodies, right? I think his new fashion brand that he's maybe going to launch. And why I also think this is really interesting is not only because of the product that he is like doing everywhere, but it's also super fast. So if you click on this, let's say the launch, right, boom, it's there. And if you go back to his house, boom, it's there. So this costs a lot of codings, right, because it's a really heavy file to make, but it is super fast. And also what is interesting in order to make this house even bigger, right, is probably somewhere in the future we can also see his bedroom or his sauna or his swimming pool or the beach, right, his backyard, combined with a lot of call to actions to the products. Okay, so over here like the hydrations, all in here. If you go to the launch, right, there's also his Gadzhi brand. If you go to his garage, there's also his fashion brand. So it's like a lot of good things. I think it's really interesting that if you are using influencers, that you can make like a dedicated page, something like this, or like a person that is like really the face of the brand, then you can really test something out like this. We all have no access to the data. I hope somewhere in the future he will release that so we can see what is the results of this, but he's sold out. So I think it works really well, his personal brand in combination with a really fast website and also personalized website. So real quick, why I think it's really interesting. If you got any questions about this website, let me know down below. And with that being said, I will see you in the next video. Bye.